morning, children. Today we are going to do textbook exercise of the chapter My Silly Sister. You must have remember we had done the chapter My Silly Sister. It was about a little boy who is talking about her sister who is very silly. But why she is silly? Because she is small. Why she is silly? Because she is small. What, and she is very childish also. She thinks that the difference between the light in the streets and the bright stars, she doesn't have the difference, common sense between the street lights and the stars. She thinks the pebbles are the real food to eat. She enjoys tearing the pages from the book and she laughs. Then what happens when the brother is scolding her silly sister? That time she feels very serious. She feels that schoolmaster is shouting at her. And when she is playing at that time when the brother call out father, she looks here and there to find out about his father. So this was the story about the My Silly Sister. So now we are going to do the exercise. Reading is fun. Reading is fun. Question 1. What does the baby do with the pebbles? What does the baby do with the pebbles? जो यहाँ पे छोटी सी बच्ची है वो पेबल्स के साथ क्या करती है? बच्ची कंकड़ पत्थरों जो है के साथ क्या करती है? The baby thinks that the pebbles are real food. She tries to put them in her mouth. The baby thinks. What does the baby thinks? The baby thinks. THINKS. The baby thinks that the pebbles, THAT, that the pebbles are real food. Are real food. She tries to keep it in her mouth. She tries to put it in her mouth. What she thinks pebble is a food, so she is trying to put it in her mouth. Question 2. What does the baby do with the book? What does the baby do with the book? The baby tears the pages of the book. The baby tears the pages of the book. Next, when does the baby laugh? When does the baby laugh? बच्ची कब हंसती है? The baby laughs when her brother scolds her. Fourth question. Why does the washerman bring donkeys? धोबी जो है गधे क्यों लाता है? The washerman bring donkeys to carry away the dirty clothes. To carry away the dirty clothes. To carry away the dirty clothes on their back. On their back. Now, next question. What is the funniest thing the baby does? What is the funniest thing the baby does? What is the funniest thing the baby does? बच्ची सबसे मज़ेदार चीज़ क्या करती है? When her brother shakes his head at her in anger and scolds her or calls her naughty, she laughs. This is the funniest thing the baby does. बच्ची जो है वो मज़ेदार चीज़ क्या करती है? मज़ेदार चीज़ क्या करती है? तो आंसर इज़ व्हाट, कि जब उसका भाई उसे डांटता है गुस्से में या फिर उसे नॉटी कहलाता है, तब वो हंसती है, मुस्कुराती है और उसको वो एकदम मज़ेदार चीज़ लगती है. डू यू थिंक द बेबी सिस्टर इज़ रियली सिली? वाई? क्या तुम सोचते हो कि छोटी बहन सचमुच बेवकूफ़ है? क्यों? द बेबी सिस्टर इज़ नॉट सिली. जो छोटी बहन है वो बिल्कुल ही बेवकूफ़ नहीं है, वो छोटी है. शी इज़ वेरी स्मॉल. शी डज़ नॉट नो वॉट इज़ राइट एंड वॉट इज़ रॉन्ग. उसको पता नहीं है कि क्या सही है क्या गलत है. क्यों पता नहीं? बिकॉज वो छोटी है, वो छोटी सी बच्ची है. नाउ विल रीड दिस स्मॉल पोएम. लेट्स मूव एंड डांस. Hands are for clapping. Here you can see hands are for clapping. Feet are for walking. Hips are for shaking. Arms are for stretching. Eyes are for blinking. Eyes are for blinking. Then heads are for nodding. Heads are for nodding. Elbows are for moving. Elbows are for moving. Mouth are for talking. So this type of poem you can make of your own also. Next exercise, word building. What is this? This is called word building. The first one, fill in the blanks to spell words from the story. Now we are going to do word building on page number 84. Fill in the blanks to spell words from the story. What we have to do? Fill in the blanks to spell words from the story. Over here you can see blanks are given, few words are given. We have to find the correct word, correct spelling and make it a correct spelling. So I dash dash y. So what will you write? SILLY. So it becomes silly. SILLY, silly. PE dash dash L dash S. So PEBBLES. So it becomes pebbles. PEBBLES, pebbles. It is pebbles. Then next STR dash ETS. So it is street. STREETS, streets. Next S dash OLD. So SCOLD, scold. SCOLD, scold. Then LE dash dash ONS. So LESSONS, lessons. Then NAUGHTY, naughty. NAUGHTY, naughty. EXCIT is written. We have to write EMENT, excitement. EXCITEMENT, excitement. DONKEY, donkey. DONKEY, donkey. Once again we'll read. SILLY, silly. PEBBLES, pebbles. STREETS, street. SCOLD, OLD scold, LESSONS lesson, NAUGHTY naughty, EXCITEMENT excitement, DONKEY donkey. Now 2-number exercise. Write the similar words from the story. We have to select similar words from the story. So FOOLISH foolish. So it will be SILLY silly. SILLY silly. STONES stones. So it will be PEBBLES pebbles. PEBBLES pebbles. MISCHIEVOUS mischievous. The similar word will be naughty. NAUGHTY naughty. Fetch. FETCH fetch. Fetch means bring. BRING bring. Foolish silly. Foolish भी हम कह सकते हैं, उसे silly भी कह सकते हैं. स्टोन्स जो पत्थर है, कंकर है, छोटे छोटे, उसको पेबल्स कहते हैं और स्टोन्स भी कहते हैं. मिस्चीवियस जो मस्ती करता है, तूफान करता है, तो उसको मिस्चीवियस भी कह सकते हैं, हम नॉटी भी कह सकते हैं. फैच. फैच यानी लाना कोई चीज़. आपकी मम्मा ने आपसे कुछ कहा कि ये लाओ, या फिर ब्रिंग द बुक हियर, तो वो चीज़ जो आप लाते हैं उसे फैच भी कहते हैं, ब्रिंग भी कहते हैं. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विथ वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द बॉक्स. Fill in the blanks with the words from the box. Children, they tell. Children, they bell. Now it is a paragraph form, we'll read it. The dash are playing in the field. Now over here the dash are is in plural form. So what will you write? Over here children, who are playing? Children. So CHILDREN. The children are playing in the field. Are happy. So you will write they. THEY. They are happy. Dash are playing catch me if you can. So they. THEY. They are playing catch me if you can. The bell. BELL. The bell has rung. It is time for lesson. Again we'll read the paragraph. The children are playing in the field. They are happy. They are playing catch me if you can. क्या खेल खेल रहे हो लोग? Catch me if you can. The bell has rung. It's time for lesson. Bell बज चुका है, अभी टाइम हुआ पढ़ाई का. Fill in the blanks. Over here singular plural is there. So one child. So many children. CHILDREN. One child, so it becomes many children. One fox, so many foxes. FOXES. Many foxes. One duck, many ducks. 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 It is singular plural only. Child, children, fox, foxes, duck, ducks, goose, geese. 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 Once again we'll read child, children, fox, foxes, duck, ducks, geese, goose. It will be geese. Add FUL to make a word. The children are dash. It is play. So what will you write for play? It will be the children are playful. 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 The flowers are beautiful. 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 The books are useful. 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 The vegetables are plentiful. Plentiful. The children are playful. The flowers are beautiful. The books are useful. The vegetables are plentiful. Now add ly to make word. This also is the exercise. The new shoes are lovely. 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 He is dash smart. Real. So you will add really. 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 We should eat slow. So it will be slowly. 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 Let us sing soft. So it is softly. 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 Add ish to make a new word. We have to add now ish. The girl is always crying. So she is childish. 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 I slipped on a banana peel. I feel foolish. 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 I slipped on a banana peel. I feel foolish. Foolish. My sister is baby. So what will you write? My sister is babyish. 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 Now we'll read all these exercises together. Child, children, fox, foxes, duck, ducks, goose, geese. Add ful to make word. The children are playful. Same word only is there, children. You just have to write ful in the last. So it becomes playful. The flowers are beautiful. The books are useful. The vegetables are plentiful. Again we have to add ly to make a word. The new shoes are lovely. He is really smart. We should eat slowly. Let us sing softly. The girl is always crying. She is childish. Over here what we have to use? We have to use ish. So the girl is always crying. She is childish. I slipped on a banana peel. I feel foolish. My sister is babyish. Now last exercise. Let's write. Write 5 sentences on how you help at home. Write 5 sentences how you help at home. आप घर पे किस तरह से आप मदद कर सकते हो उसके बारे में आपको 5 sentences लिखना है. So we'll write first. I help mother. I help mother. in making making her bed bed. I help father. I help father in washing his clothes. in washing his clothes. clothes. I also help brother in arranging his bag. Arranging. 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 his bag. I also help my sister with her studies. her studies. Studies. I do a lot of small things in the house. I do a lot of small things in the house. So, dear children, I hope you have understood this exercise completely. You have to complete this exercise in your English textbook with good handwriting. Once again we'll read these 5 sentences that you help at home. घर पे आप किस तरह से मदद करते हो. 5 अपने वाक्य हमें लिखना है. So I help mother in making her bed. I help father in washing his clothes. I also help my brother in arranging his bag. I also help my sister with her studies. I do a lot of small things. So dear children, complete this work in your English textbook with good handwriting. Thank you.